how to fix your Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're clicking on the taskbar at the bottom of your computer and either you're unable to see this Wi-Fi symbol altogether, or you can see it but it's just not connecting to the internet, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve this issue. Now there's a couple of things we need to do. So first, go and open up the start menu. You then need to go and search for services and click on this window here. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see a service called WLAN auto config, which is this one here. Go and double click on this service, change the startup type to automatic, and make sure the service status is set to running, and then you can press apply and OK. You can then right click on this and go and press restart. Now you also need to do the same thing for this service as well, which is WLAN auto config. So go and double click on this as well, change the startup type to automatic and press apply and OK. You can then double click on it again and click on start to begin running this service. Now once you've done that, go and close out of this window, open up the start menu, search for device manager, and then go and click on this window here. You then need to click on the drop down arrow next to network adapters, and you should be able to see your Wi-Fi card from this list. Now it should say Wi-Fi in the name like so, and all we need to do is right click on this, click on disable device, and then press yes. You then need to go and right click on this again and press enable device, and once you've done that, you can come down to your Wi-Fi in the bottom right hand side, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on, and then you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, open up the start menu and click on settings. In the left hand side, select network and internet, and then click on advanced network settings. Now click on the option for network reset, and then press reset now, and click on yes. Once you've done that, you'll need to restart your computer, and you can check if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up the start menu, and you need to go and shut down your computer. Once your computer's fully shut down, you just need to go and disconnect any power cables that are currently going to your computer. So if you're on a laptop, make sure the charging cable is disconnected. Once it's disconnected, you just need to hold down the power button for around about 30 seconds. This is going to drain any residual power left in the laptop or computer. Once you've done this, you can try turning your computer back on, and that should have now solved the Wi-Fi issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.